we have to discuss one important point related to these setter methods: set full name, set friends, etc. Let us take a quick look at the docs. Under hooks API reference, there is an important point that is mentioned about updates. Under functional updates, docs say that if the new state is computed using the previous state, you can pass a function to set state. Let's examine that once again. If the new state is computed using the previous state, then we have to pass a function to set state. Among the examples that we have discussed now, there are two examples that we need to modify slightly. Let's go to our clickCounter.js, and if you observe here to this setCount method, we are passing in count plus 1. So count plus 1 is going to be our new value, and as you can see, the new value is depending on the old value, which is count. So in such a case, what we have to do is we have to pass in a function instead of a value. This requires only a minor change. So let us make that change, and the docs say that the function will receive the previous value and return an updated value. So the function will receive the previous value. Let's call that previous count, and let us make it an arrow function, and let us return previous count plus 1. So we have passed in an arrow function to set count now. So now we have fixed our code in clickCounter.js. Let us go to friends.js now. In friends.js, to this set friends call, we have passed in a new array which is spreading the old array and then appending full name to it. That means the new value depends on the old value. So we need to make a similar change over here also. So let's do that. All we have to do is, we know that we are going to get the previous value as an argument. So let's specify previous friends as the name of the parameter, and let us use an arrow function here, and let us replace friends with previous friends. And now we have fixed our code in friends.js as well. The reason why we have to do this is these setter methods like setCount over here, they are asynchronous functions. So when we call them multiple times like this, the results will not be like we expect them to be. So it's always better to pass in a function to do the update when the new state is computed using the previous state.